On the fierce war between Mumbai Civic Body and Kangana Ranaut continues even though Kangana has left the city. In an affidavit which was filed in the Bombay High Court, Mumbai Civic Body BMC has said that Ranaut's plea of seeking rupees 2 crore as damages is an abuse of the process of law and hence should be dismissed. The Civic Body in fact urged the court to impose a cost on her for filing such a plea. This was in response to Kangana's plea in which she sought 2 crore rupees as damages for the demolition which BMC conducted at her bungalow. Mayuresh is with us to give more details on this. Mayuresh, some scathing remarks there by Mumbai Civic Body in their affidavit.
Absolutely, Gavri. If you remember that just weeks back, the demolition happened at Kangana's office in Mumbai suburban area, where BMC claims that they had demolished the illegal construction or illegal part of her office, which was constructed in suburban area. But after that, we saw that Kangana had approached the Bombay High Court, putting a stay on this, and she had also asked Bombay High Court that instruct the BMC to repay her rupees 2,000 rupees for the damages which happened during this demolition drive. But BMC have now filed an affidavit in the High Court saying that whatever the Kangana is claiming, it's not true because it was a legal drive, and in that demolition, they have only demolished the illegal part. And the claim which she is making of 2 crore rupees, that BMC should compensate 2 crore rupees, that is absolutely not needed, and such claim should not be entertained. That is written in the BMC affidavit.
Right. Also, Mayuresh, if you can just give us a timeline on how it all started. Kangana versus Mumbai Civic Body has been a long saga. If you can just tell our viewers, remind our viewers what actually unfolded when BMC and Kangana actually came face to face.
Absolutely. We saw that a war of words were happening between Kangana Ranaut, and she was continuously criticizing the Maharashtra government, Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray. After that, we saw that BMC served a notice to Kangana Ranaut, and Kangana Ranaut was scheduled to come to Mumbai. Just a day prior to that, we saw Kangana Ranaut's office was demolished. The illegal construction which they had made, she had made in her office was demolished, and she was not even given more than 24 hours time. Usually, basically, Kangana's argument was that when I was not there present in my property, on what basis BMC or what right BMC has got to enter into my property, even if it is illegal construction or if they have given any notice. So to take basically get the stay, she had approached the Bombay High Court. She got the stay. The case is right now in Bombay High Court. But while basically applying for the stay, she had also asked Bombay High Court that BMC now should pay the compensation almost of rupees 2 crore rupees to her for illegally demolishing the office space or the conducting that illegal drive at her office.
Right. Thank you, Mayuresh, for sharing all those details.